Welcome back to Lesson 3 of Small Group Learning with Playlists and Gameboards. In this lesson, you are going to begin to create a game board or a playlist for one of your classes. So, let's take a look at some of the information here. So first of all, you want to select a format, and as I said, you are going to be choosing a game board or a playlist, and you're going to want to select the format that works best for you. So on the next few slides are some examples, and then there are some templates. So if we look at the next slide, we have got some formats here that show, again, the definitions, and then when you click on the game itself, so this one is game board. When you click on it, up will come an example. And so for each one of these playlists, menu boards, tic-tac-toe, and bingo boards, you will be able to see what other teachers have created. And then the last slide in this lesson are the templates. And again, they are linked, and you are welcome to use the templates as they are, or you can modify them to make them work for your needs in your classroom. So have fun making your game boards or playlists in any form that you want to, and I look forward to being able to see these when you put them into the form that is attached to this lesson. So have a wonderful time creating.